What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a super fun and exciting day, hopefully. I think we're going on a boat on the North Shore. Aaron, Riley, and our friend Megan, and one other friend that I haven't met, but we're going to meet her today. But right now we're gonna go pick up a couple of snacks so we can have boat snacks at Long's Drugs, and yeah, so you guys are coming along with us today because today's gonna be a good day. Thanks, Eric, for driving. We are here and we met up with our friends. They're in there. They picked us up in their truck. And now we are on the way to the boat. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! How excited are you, Aaron?
So excited.
So excited. So pretty! Some turtles over there. We're cruising. It is such a beautiful day. We're just gonna have a good day, guys.
Oh, that's fine. Do you have the same camera? Or no, I have an iPhone.
It is super blue today.
We should just anchor out here. Yeah, we go and park on the sandbar.
Amazing. Guys, there are turtles all over.
We just swim off. I
I know.
don't have anybody else to swim.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
You went down, I think.
He just went. That is the biggest turtle I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are at the sandbar right here. We're about to get off and walk on the freaking water. This is gonna be so cool. We are on the sandbar. The sun keeps coming and going. When the sun comes back, it is so beautiful. It is like crystal clear and it looks super blue. So I'll get back to you. And then here's the sun. You guys, it's so beautiful out. We're getting those Instagram pictures over there on the boat, over here. So beautiful. Hey guys, we are out of the water and we are eating and having a little snack, and the clouds are kind of coming in, but that's okay. Still beautiful outside and it is literally the best day ever. Don't go overboard, boy! Don't go overboard! Okay, you guys, we are at a secret beach and I'm so excited. We're gonna...
So secret.
Do you think we're gonna get off?
I don't know, but I heard there's this really pretty spot to take photos. I'm excited to see it.
Yay!
I just always see those photos on the dock here.
It is so beautiful, you guys. Over here is where Jurassic World kind of was filmed. Or Park, Jurassic Park. Look how gorgeous.
We need to watch it.
Yeah, now we definitely have to watch Jurassic Park.
It's the bathroom on tonight.
We're at the secret beach. I know it's super windy, but you guys can hear it. I don't know if we're getting off or what we're doing, but we're gonna go check it out. Ooh.
Cold.
Okay guys, we're here. We're on the secret island, and apparently if you go back here, there's the dock, the pretty dock that overlooks like the little lake pond thing. So we're gonna go check it out. Yeah, we're following you because you know where you're going. I like don't even feel like I'm in Hawaii. I feel like I'm in a movie. I haven't done anything like this in Hawaii, so nice. I see it. Whoa, look at these branches though. Okay. Oh, of course there's, oh yeah. Let's do it.
I look like I'm gonna go up and knock it off. Tempted,
Guys,
but like
here is one of the docks. Apparently there's a couple other, but we're just gonna take some cool pictures and yeah, check it out. It is literally a movie over here. This is insane. Do something cute for the vlog. Yes, that was it. That was it. Oh. Back on the boat. Let's go home. Oh my gosh. Here's the manta rays. Oh my gosh, look at them over there. They look like they look like freaking whales. Those are huge. Holy moly, I've never seen anything that big in my life. Oh my gosh. They're huge. And they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Guys, check out this manta. Oh my gosh. Dude, these are the biggest things I've ever seen in my entire life. That's a manta ray, stingray type thing. Okay guys, and we are back at the harbor, grabbing our stuff, walking to the car. I will update you guys back when we're in the car. So I'm literally fired from vlogging, but I forgot to go and film the rest of this video. But you guys get the gist. We had a great day on the boat with friends. We saw manta rays, turtles, and went on the secret beach and just had so much fun. I literally love adventures, so if you guys have any adventures that you guys want me to go on, put it down below and I'll try to make it happen while I'm living in Hawaii. But I love you guys and we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Go do it. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it. Love you guys.